If I give up my life, you know the more will you do.
What's up guys, good morning. Today is day 2 of things actually happening with the beautiful TECHART 996 over here. I have so far today installed the rear quarter window in here. I have no idea how to fit this trim piece back on. It makes no sense, but I got the window in there. I'm not sure if the other one is actually in existence, but we'll find out when the new immobilizer's in and we start up the car. But man, every time I see this thing, I'm just like, wow, this is such a cool car. I cannot wait for the TECHART wheels to be here. This is gonna be such a cool looking thing. Just a few more minutes until the tow people get here, hopefully, and then I'll head over to Porsche Monmouth and hopefully drive home with this car today. And off it goes. Step 1 is somewhat complete. Oh crap, I forgot to put a license plate on it. Alright. See you later. We're here at Porsche Monmouth and it's time to go see what's up with the car. Give them the keys and stuff, fingers crossed. Alright, so there's good news and bad news. So, good news is, I got the wheels. They are quite beautiful. And the tires on them are fresh Falcon tires. I wasn't expecting the rears to be 295/40, which might be a little big for the 996. This one's running on 295/30 and it's lowered 30 millimeters, like 1.5 inches maybe. It's fine. I mean, there's enough space. Well, I guess we'll find out. Brief intermission from TECHART content. It's actually really beautiful outside. I'm working on fixing the fuel leak in this Boxster. I replaced the sender unit, and that's new. That didn't work. So I'm taking this trim piece off the car and ripping it all apart, but right now we have a sun shower going on and it is beautiful. I wish that it would come across on camera just how beautiful it is out here. It's like bright and green and orange out. It's beautiful. I have now replaced this and I have now spent an hour doing Teflon tape on one of those fuel lines because I couldn't reach it from the bottom and I didn't know it was wrong. This is now multiple hours of trying to fix this and multiple different repairs. This is a moment of truth of me starting up and seeing if it leaks fuel, and I think I might actually cry. If this leaks fuel, then there's nothing I could do and I give up, and I'm getting rid of the car as soon as possible. Okay, wish me luck. Basically what's happening is the ECU and the immobilizer are still not communicating with each other. I think what happened was, I thought that you could just put a new immobilizer in, program with the keys and have everything work. I didn't realize that at the Porsche dealership, you can't reprogram the ECU. They don't have the tools to do so. So I took the ECU, the new immobilizer and the old immobilizer, and the 2 new keys that they programmed, and I sent it all down to Florida, and Specialized ECU Repair should be getting back next Friday, about a week from today, with everything working. So it's gonna be a little bit more of a wait than I would want, but it's better late than never, and fingers crossed, this should get everything working properly. I can't wait to get this car. This is the moment of truth. Brilliant! Definitely sounds like a car that hasn't run in a long time. We're gonna change that. That's crazy. Wow. Well, we'll resume this video at home. Oh my gosh. And it runs and it drives and I drove it home and it's dirty. But I'm gonna change the oil real quick, put the nice new plates on that aren't expired and illegal, and clean some stuff up, see how the engine's looking underneath. You know, just generally get a bill of health on this thing, you know? See what needs to be done and see how it runs with fresh oil, get the top off, see how it's all looking. I am excited. Okay, so I didn't film this part because I got off a flight today and didn't sleep and it was a red eye. I didn't want to accidentally drop this car on my head, but I changed the oil. It's a mix of 5W50 and 5W40 Mobil 1 with Ceratec additive in there. I mean, this engine only has 63,000 miles on it, but just to be safe, that new filter, new drain plug, everything to make sure that the car is going to run right. There was nothing in the filter, and the oil came out pretty much new, but you know, it never hurts to take that extra step. Now it's time to say goodbye to these wheels and say hello to these wheels. TECHART time. So, I'm in here polishing the hood, and I'm finishing polishing up this car, and it occurred to me that I've missed filming a bit. I've polished nearly the whole thing. We took the hard top off, took it for a drive yesterday. We found out that there's just some other things that need to be done, like I'm gonna have to do a transmission fluid change. It's making sort of a sound that might be opinion bearing. I hope it's not that, because that's pretty pricey to fix. If that's the case, then that's fine, because it still needs an IMS, RMS, and clutch done, even though the clutch is fine. I mean, it's all fine, it's just those peace of mind things. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this video here. I will see you guys in the next one, where we're gonna be putting on the TECHART wheels and it being driven around. It's so exciting, so I can't wait for that. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, and bye camera.